In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy gold on Trading 212. Now keep in mind, to buy gold, there are only two different methods and you cannot actually buy gold directly like this. You can either buy it through ETF or you can buy it as CFD. Now those are the only two ways to do this, so just keep that in mind. If you want to do as an ETF, you can search for gold and press ETF and you will be able to buy the ETFs of physical gold. Now if you want to do it as a CFD, what you want to do is either search for gold in here or go to a CFD one, open up the gold, and it will say tradable as CFD. So open up your CFD account, go to gold, and you'll be able to do it from here. Now, like I said, keep in mind this is a CFD, so it's not the same, but you'll still be able to do it this way if you want to do that. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.